Hello, welcome to JavaScript tutorial, chapter 31, using regular expressions in JavaScript, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn about how do we use the regular expressions in JavaScript. So, what is regular expression? Regular expression, it is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. So, here are the resources for learning, writing and testing the regular expressions. So if you are a fresher to the regular expression, or if you are very new to the regular expression, then you can visit this URL where you can learn the details about regular expressions from the scratch. Okay, and here is the tool, okay, that is Expresso. It's one of the free tools available. Okay, and here you can learn, write and test the regular expressions. Okay, and you have to visit this URL ultrapico.com. Okay, this is the website where you can download this Expresso regular expression tool. Okay, and coming to the next slide, and here are the other two. Okay, we have RegExr is a HTML based tool for creating, testing and learning about regular expressions. So I'm going to use this I'm going to hit this URL right now in my session just to execute a bit of regular expressions. Okay, to make you understand like what a regular expression is. So I'm going to use this URL. Okay, and let me show you that. And here is my web page, regexr.com. Okay, here I'm going to write my regular expression pattern and I'm going to match the things. And apart from that, we have other, okay, that is regular expression library. Okay, this is the URL here to it. And once, let me show you that one also. Here is this regular expression library. Suppose if you want to get the regular expression, okay, for a email validation, so what you have to do is you have to visit this URL and you have to just type here like email, okay, and then click search. Okay, you can find n number of, you can observe here, you can find n number of validations already written. Okay, you can copy this, okay, expression, and you can paste it in your validation. So what this expression does, here is a description. It's a simple email expression. What it does is it does not allow numbers in the domain name. For example, your email ID should look like sam@gmail.com. Okay, and in that domain name, okay, numbers are not entered. Okay, how do I validate that? With the help of this regular expression written here. Similarly, you have thousands of libraries written over for the email validation. Similarly, you can search for the other validations also. Okay, and this is a library of regular expressions where you can fetch the particular expression what you want. Okay, right now what we saw is like we saw the tools for writing regular expressions, or the libraries to get the regular expressions. That's what we saw right now. And let us make our hand dirty by coding about in regular expression. So let me jump into an example. So here you can observe what our first task is. Like, we have to find the word lorem in a given string, and this will also match the word lorems. So let us check out like how do I do that. It's very simple. So what I'll do is, let me navigate to this regular expression regexr.com. so here I can test my regular expression pattern. So what I'll do is right now I'll delete this thing and we'll go to the dummy content, that is lorem ipsum, and here let me hit this URL. And right now let me take at least 5 to 6 paragraphs. So let me scroll here and the paragraphs is 5. So let me click on generate. Once it generates, let me copy that 5 paragraphs. Okay, I've copied this 5 paragraphs, Control C, and I'm pasting it in my text editor. Okay, now what I'll do is, if you want to write a regular expression, then you have to compulsorily, okay, have this backward slashes, and between that you have to write the pattern. So what I'll do is, right now I have to identify a text called lorem. So you can observe we have only one word called lorem, so it's showing only one match in this text. So what I'll do is, I myself will add some other words. Okay, and here also, and here it is capital M, and let me add somewhere here. So totally you can observe here, right now we have 4 matches matching this pattern. This is our regular expression. Okay, regular expression which start with the backward slash, and between that we have to pass a pattern, and end with the backward slash. And this G, it is something like, you can observe here, okay, it's a global, it's identifying throughout this text present here. So you have to give this modifier, or you can call it as expression flag. So when I do this, it's going to identify only in this it's going to identify only in this first line. So that's the reason we have to set it the flag to global. It's going to identify complete throughout this text present here. So now my objective is, it's going to our pattern is matching. It's telling like, I want a text, okay, I want a pattern which is having the text called Lorem. So the Lorem is present entire over this text, so it's highlighting that, and it shows 5 matches. Now what I'll do is, I wantedly make it as Lorems, okay, and here also, but this is not a perfect match. Okay, what is my requirement is, okay, our regular expression should get only the word Lorem, and it should not be a Lorems. So as of now, it should return only Lorem, not the word which is Lorems. So how do I stop that? I can stop that with the help of, okay, to find the word Lorem as a whole word, include this /b on either sides of the word expression. So at that point of time, what do I get is, it's very simple. So let me come here /b, and here also /b. Now you can observe very clearly, it's returning only the 3 matches. And where is the Lorems? It's not selected. Why? Because we are strongly telling, okay, select the word only Lorem with the help of these 2 tags. Okay, you can observe here word boundary tags. Okay, this is a boundary tag which is going to select only the Lorem word, not the Lorems. That's the reason it is returning only Lorem. Okay, this is how we can write our pattern. And now what our objective is, we need to find a 4-digit number. So to indicate that, we will make use of this /d. It indicates to find a digit. So how do I do that? It's very simple. So let me jump back here, and let me delete all this thing present here, and let me 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now our objective is, we need to identify only the 5-digit number, and this is the only 5-digit number present here, and this also. So how do I identify that? It's very simple. I can identify that with the help of this /d. So what I need to do is, within that word boundary tag, what I need to do is, I need to specify, okay, you can observe here very clearly. Okay, before that, okay, you can observe here, what I do is, I just typed this digit. Okay, this is called digit tag. Sorry, not a tag, it's a digit, that is word boundary, and this is /d, which represents the digit character. So you can observe here, I've typed like /d 5 times, so it's returning the numbers which are having 5 digits in it. So all these things have 5 digits, but I want exactly the numbers only which are 5 digit. So it's now, this is returning the numbers which are having 6 digits also. Okay, but our objective is, right now I have to get only the 5-digit number. So at that time, what I need to do is, I need to again make use of this boundary. So at that time, I'll get only these 2 matches. This is how I'll write my regular expression. Okay, from this regular expression, what we are trying to do is, we are trying to get a digit or a number which is having 5 digit in it. Only these 2 are having. Okay, this is how we can make it strongly typed regular expression. Okay, I hope you understood this. And coming to the next line, what we are doing here is, we are repeating it, that /d, multiple times. Instead of that, we can do the same. We can achieve the same thing with in the other way. That is, instead of doing like this, what I need to do is, I need to call the curly braces, and I need to tell how many. I need to tell the digit. I need to tell the number of what digit I have to identify. I'm telling like, identify the digit character with the 5 digit. So it's going to identify this number. You can observe here very carefully. This is what my regular expression is. This regular expression is going to return you the number with the 5 digit. So this is the 5 digit. Suppose if you want to return with the 6 digit, then go and change the number here, and these 2 are selecting. These 2 are matching the pattern, regular expression pattern, these 2 numbers. Okay, and this is what the advantage of using it. Apart from that, we can do it in the other manner. So how do I do that? It's very simple. Okay, just come back here and just type 0 to 9. So you can observe here, this is boundary, and within that I'm telling like select any number between 0 to 9, but it should have a 6 digit in it. Only these two numbers are matching. Suppose if I tell 3, only these two are matching. Okay, and suppose if I tell 5, these two things are matching. Suppose if I tell 6, these two things are matching. This is what our regular expression is. This pattern is matching and executing the matches which are present inside this text, inside in this text boundary. Okay, I hope you understood like how the regular expression works. Okay, in the coming session let me take some other complicated example and let me explain you very clearly what the regular expression is. But as of this session we saw like how to write a regular expression. Okay, we have to start with the backward slash and end with the backward slash, and we have to specify the modifier. Here it's a global search modifier, and we're going to understand what is a global search modifier in the coming sessions. But as of now you have to concentrate only on this, like how do I write it. Okay, these are very simple examples what I've explained you right now. Okay, and let me jump back to presentation, coming here, and brackets are used to find a range of characters. So right now in our example we pass 0 to 9. It's going to fetch all numbers which are present from 0 to 9. Okay, and A to Z, find any of the characters between the brackets, that is A to Z. Find any of the digits between the brackets, that is from 0 to 9. This is equivalent to D. That's what we saw in our example right now. Okay, we achieved this earlier with the help of /D and digit. Right, we are achieving with this also bracket. Within the bracket we are passing 0, 9, and A or B, find any of the characters A or B. Okay, this is what the regular expression in JavaScript is. It's very simple. So I hope you understood this regular expression, and in the next session we are going to learn the other complicated example about regular expression. So finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter. For further reference, refer our website. We are on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.